Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews. Today, thanks to Porsche of Nashua, we have the 2024 Lotus Emira First Edition. This one is the supercharged V6 with the manual transmission, so it is the one to have, in my opinion, in a absolutely gorgeous spec. 400 horsepower from a supercharged V6, and it's just downright amazing to drive. We are in an era where driver's cars like this don't really exist much anymore. But here we are in the Lotus Emira. Very likely the last pure internal combustion engine Lotus to ever exist. What is this? Oh, I think this is likely second key box. Oh no, it's a keychain in the shape of an Emira. That's pretty darn cool. And now, the first time I drove an Evora, I absolutely loved it. Here is your key, engine, suede headliner. First time I drove an Evora, I fell head over heels for it. So now I was dying to try an Emira. What do I think of it? It is really, really good. Visibility? Is downright amazing. Frontward visibility is the best in any super sports car I've driven. And that sound is downright intoxicating. It is, wow. I love watching the freaking, I don't know if that is either the throttle body, that might be the supercharger wastegate. But you can sit there and watch it, and when you give it throttle, it opens up, and oh. Yeah, I think that's the wastegate. And then cruising, it's comfortable, very comfortable. Like I said, visibility is phenomenal. Steering is so direct. It is very go-kart-like, and that's what I love about Lodi, is how much like a go-kart they are. And then if you want to go into tour, exhaust gets quiet. Sport. You don't have rev matching. So I get to do it myself. I'm okay with that. Okay. One thing I noticed about it right off the bat is how much you can adjust the nose with throttle. And that is a characteristic that a lot of mid-engine cars have, but not a lot are able to perfect. And it took me a lot of getting used to, because if you start going crazy with throttle, the front gets light and it feels like it's going to understeer, but it really doesn't. You can sit there and adjust this car's position by throttle, and that is really, really rewarding when you get it right. Something that's also extremely rewarding is this gearbox. One of the best manuals I've driven in a long time. And I didn't show it off, I probably should have. You can see all the linkage and everything underneath the center console. I find myself shifting way more than I ever need to just to use this gearbox. What a gearbox to use. In an era of electric cars, we have a very analog driver's car with a very good turning circle, by the way. And days of cars like this are very numbered. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.